In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background in Wix. Whether you're looking to make your website stand out, create a more immersive experience for visitors, or simply add that extra touch of professionalism, video backgrounds can be a game changer. Wix makes this process simple. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add stunning, seamless video backgrounds to any section of your website. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your Wix website editor and make sure you're logged in to the correct site dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so double check that you're in the right place before making any changes. If you manage multiple sites, it's important to confirm you're working on the one you intend to edit. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar interface of the Wix Editor. Now, navigate to the website section editor where you'll be making changes. This is where you can customize the look and feel of specific areas of your site. For example, your homepage, an about page, or any other section. Take a moment to locate the section you want to enhance with a video background. Once you've found the section you want to work on, select it. This could be your website's header, a middle section that showcases your products or services, or even the footer. Wherever you want the video background, click to ensure that specific section is active and ready to edit. Next, look for the option labeled Change Background within the selected section. This is the key to customizing the visual elements of that section. Once you click it, a menu will appear, giving you options to modify the background. From the menu that pops up, select Video. This tells Wix that you want to use a video as the background for this section. Here you'll see two options. You can either upload your own video or choose one from Wix's extensive library of free media. If you already have a video that perfectly matches your brand or message, click Upload Media to add it. On the other hand, if you don't have a video handy, Wix's library offers a variety of beautiful professional options to choose from. After selecting or uploading your video, make sure to preview it. This step is crucial to ensure everything looks and functions as it should. Check that the video loops seamlessly so there are no awkward pauses or breaks. Also test how quickly it loads. This is important to maintain a smooth user experience on your site. If the video isn't performing well, you might want to choose a different one or adjust its resolution. Once you're satisfied with your choice and the way it looks in the preview, it's time to finalize the change. Simply click Change Background, and the video will be applied to the selected section. Take a moment to review how it integrates with the rest of your design. It should enhance the visual appeal of the site without overpowering the content or slowing down the page. And that's it. You've successfully added a video background to your Wix site. It's a simple, effective way to elevate your website and leave a lasting impression on your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.